Hello legal hustlers. In this video we will see Charter Act of 1813, a significant turning point in British colonial rule. By discovering the pivotal reforms and transformative changes introduced through this act, which had a profound impact on India and the British Empire as a whole. From the abolition of the East India Company's monopoly to the emergence of Christian missionaries and educational advancements, this act laid the groundwork for future colonial policies. Introduction. The Charter Act of 1813 was passed by the British Parliament on March 23, 1813. It was a significant event in the history of British rule in India. The Act had a major impact on Indian society and the British administration in India. Background. The Charter Act of 1813 was passed by the British Parliament to renew the East India Company's charter. The Act allowed for greater British control over India's affairs and signaled a shift towards more direct colonial rule. The Act also opened up India's markets to British trade, leading to significant changes in the Indian economy. Objectives of the Act. The main objective of the Act was to promote the education and moral improvement of the Indian people. The Act aimed to put an end to the company's monopoly on trade with India. The Act also aimed to increase British control over the East India Company. Provisions of the Act. The Act allowed Christian missionaries to enter India and spread their religion. The Act established a fund for the promotion of education in India. The Act ended the company's monopoly on trade with India, allowing other British merchants to trade with India. Criticism. The Act was criticized by Indian nationalists for promoting British imperialism. The Act was criticized by Christian missionaries for not doing enough to promote Christianity in India. The Act was criticized by British merchants for not doing enough to promote trade with India. Impact on India's economy. The Charter Act of 1813 had a significant impact on India's economy. The Act opened up India's markets to British trade, leading to the growth of new industries and the decline of traditional Indian industries. The Act also led to the integration of India into the global economy, with India becoming an important source of raw materials for British industries. Conclusion. The Charter Act of 1813 was a significant moment in the history of British colonialism and India's economic development. While the Act had a profound impact on India, it was not without its critics. The legacy of the Charter Act of 1813 continues to be felt in India today. Thank you for watching. We're thrilled to have you here and hope that you find our content informative, engaging, and entertaining. Be sure to like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to join us for further updates.